Welcome to this educational session on manual breast pump use. A manual breast pump consists of 5 main components: breast shield, pump body, silicone valve, handle, and collection bottle. Assembly begins with inserting the silicone valve. Next, connect the breast shield. Secure the bottle. Attach the handle. When using the pump, proper positioning prevents discomfort. Manual pumps are economical and require no electricity. Breastfeeding reduces infection risks and supports infant growth. Young mothers benefit physically and emotionally from breastfeeding.